Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be preparing some pilau, and what we have here is onions, garlic, ginger, some meat, some oil, some spices here, mixed spice, turmeric and garam masala, some salt there, 1 cup of rice. Our first step is going to be to prepare our meat because it's not boiled. Let's begin. So add in your oil, we are going to cook until it turns gold brown. I have used 2 onions, and you need a lot of oil when preparing pilau. So as you can see, our onions are almost ready, so we are going to add in our meat. It's on low heat. So we are going to give it like 5 minutes, but before then add some salt. I have not added any water, but the meat has its own water, so you don't need to boil the meat first. So it's going to cook for 5 minutes, then add the spices. On this other side, we are going to prepare spices. So we are going to add a teaspoon of black pepper. I had already grinded it. Mixed spice. This is the important part. You don't need pilau masala if you have mixed spice. And you'll never go wrong with this one. 2 teaspoons, some garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon, turmeric, 1/4 of it. We are going to add our garlic and ginger so that it can cook and get soaked in the meat inside. So let's add, then stir. We are going to add in our spices. Then stir. Let them cook for like 2 minutes. Then you add your water. We are going to wash our rice. Before you wash it, just let it soak for a few minutes. We are going to add in our water, 2 cups of it. So we add in now our rice. So we are going to switch off our gas and let it sit. As you can see, it's ready. It's ready. So guys, as you can see, our pilau is ready. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Can't wait to taste it. Let me serve it. someone is hungry. Bye. I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please get me to 100 subscribers. Thank you. Bye. Yummy.